Yes, hello my beautiful people. Guess where we are? We are in Kisumu right now and we are leaving for Homa Bay. Homa Bay. The laws are not ready for us. Anyways, first and foremost, we had to get a taxi, of course. That can take us to that side. And that's us settling in. And these guys that sell things, always disturbing. And you know the gadgets are obviously fake. I needed a speaker, but I couldn't buy because I had a horrific experience with roadside buying. But anyways, come with us to Homa Bay and let's see this. The ride, so full of nature. Honestly, Kenya is properly programmed. Their roads are extremely good. I love it. Anyways, we reached Homa Bay so shortly and we had to catch a border that can take us to the beach side. So here we are with Simple Gladys at the back. Life of a content creator, we always have to film even on a border. Risky, huh? Look at the road, so good. You guys enjoy this nature with me as we go to the beach side. Yes, we are on the appear and disappear kind of mode. The roads are good, so we reach places so fast. Here we are already at the beach. Look at that beautiful white building. The hotels are under construction, so we are expecting more from Homa Bay. That's Simple Gladys is so happy. Just, you guys, water is so refreshing. I didn't know. The day was so tiring, but when we reached the water side, it was so refreshing. Everything just felt so good. But of course, we were hungry, so we started by ordering for something to eat. As we wait for what to eat, we Ugandans, we don't stay in one place. We're moving up and down, exploring the whole place, because why not? That's me, moving up and down, just so all over the place. And you guys, there is something about waiting for food. You can't wait for food seated in one place. You must move, because why not? Anyways, that was me going inside to check out before I can jump into that boat, because I planned it in my mind that I had to ride for the first time today. Microphone check 1 2. We had to first, of course, check the ride. Of course, that's us getting in to check the ride before we can have our food.
Uganda, okay, go to the flag of Uganda. And then I can make you Luma of Uganda. Can you say that in Jogi? Yeah.
The thing is moving.
Moves like that. Hey!
Well, maybe they're stepping. Like, what?
Don't make for us to sit. Oh, they call it Sakam. Can I sit here?
Yes, our food is finally here, so we had to eat it very fast so that we can go back for our actual ride. Actually, you know, beach sides, the foods are always these petty foods. Anyways, shortly we were done and getting back for the actual ride. So come with us and you see me do this for the very first time. I am such a quick learner, huh? I was impressed at my own self. So anyways, let's go. And I throw people into the water. Well, here is the time. Just look at Madame. Just look at me piloting a boat for the very first time. It was quite exciting, honestly. At first, I was a bit scared, but I knew I could do it. Look at the girls behind there, so confident, not knowing their lives are in the hand of a learner. But anyways, I just had to do it. And what I realized is that piloting a boat is as the same as driving a car, which I didn't know. It's just that probably water is a bit more heavier, so the whole stuff just feels shaky, but it is doable. I did it, and I felt so happy about it, honestly, because nobody told me. I just went to the wheel like that. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the nature with us. That's an island just across. So the ride is still on. Let's go. Here is your pilot, Jojo. Hey, don't roast me yet. The real pilot is actually in the board. He's just behind the camera. He did the go journey and I was doing the return journey. He was guiding me all throughout, so we were definitely very safe. Don't worry, huh? Okay? Otherwise, guys, trust me, I enjoyed doing this a lot. I felt so happy. I felt so proud. Hey, it's a first timer and I was able to do the shaky dance. I was able to jazz with the girls. I was able to do all the other things. Normally, I wasn't so tense. It was amazing. It was amazing. Homa Bay for you. My beautiful people, come and enjoy the dance with us. Hey my amazing people, thank you so much for being with us up to the end of the video. I know the video was full of activities and just the songs around because there was nothing to say. I just had to leave the flow to go. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell. More amazing videos are coming and you do not want to miss. Otherwise, stay blessed and always remember that I love you.